like dress up as like the same thing.
Yeah. Well, but see, the thing is that Halloween's on Saturday. Are people still gonna dress up that week? Like,
Probably, I don't know. Kara's gonna dress up as a fat monkey and go to jail for it. It's called the Fat Monkey Jail.
oh boy.
This is why Kara's straight.
Yes, and it's why I'm always gonna say that. See, Mom, we're out in public. Don't want anybody to think I'm gay. No offense.
You are gay.
You know, I'm happy, but that's about it. How you know? Come on!
I just go like this.
Okay, hey, Brady, check this out. I'm going to see if I can create a fire. Holy shit, speaking of fires, see that smoke down there? I don't have my phone now, but... Oh, so much for that, huh?
Yeah. So much for the baby in there.
Oh, come on. Okay, see, wait, here we go. You know, I don't know why people say doing this causes a spark.
You might have to have like something like in it or something. Might it be like have to be like a certain type of wood?
Probably, I don't know. Everybody else I see doing it on the movies. They only have like twigs and just sit there and go like this with it.
And they sit there going like this with it. Whoa, look at that crappy car. The red one over there.
Jesus, balls!
Jesus had balls apparently now.
Well, he was a freaking guy. I mean, he's not gonna have a freaking pussy. He almost said a dick, but it's the same thing as balls. You know.
Still trying to light that on fire? What are you gonna do, light car on fire?
That was my plan.
I'd laugh if that actually happened.
Me too. Well, it's not even hot yet because friction causes heat.
Obviously, I think we all know that.
Getting a little warmer, and then it stopped.
Oh, look you!
Come on. There's a car coming. Let me catch this on fire so I can catch those little kids on fire. Hell is for children. There's actually a song called Hell is for Children. It's actually quite fun.
Yes, it's quite fun because you're quite funny. Chuck?
What?
I said you're quite funny.
Yeah.
You said it's quite good, and then I said, because you're quite funny. And an old abandoned house. Which Kara wants to live in.
Right here.
Oh my gosh, Kara. Yeah, that's how piggy she is. If she was any pig-ish, she'd be piggy-er.
Yeah. Oh, yeah! That's not good.
Oh my gosh, Kara.
I'm trying to do something.
I love you. As like a friend and not like...
What?
I said I love you as a friend.
Gross. Oh, okay.
As a friend.
So gross. I say that the same when she says that to me.
Sure, we love you as friends, okay?
Yeah.
Coming from me?
Here we go.
Come on.
See if you can get any more of these out.
Oh, I can just... There.
What is it?
I'm 6-1. I'll try to find more food that we can make tomorrow.
Cool.
Having fun?
Yeah, I am.
Come on! I'm having fun!
I'm trying to make it fun so we can have s'mores.
How are we gonna make s'mores?
I don't know, but I'll come up with something.
Some of those marshmallows over there? They're marshmallows and the chocolate. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised you actually got that. Having fun?
Yeah.